look, over here, over here, over here.
Psych!
I know, Tico and Tia, you guys are like stars. Because you show up together, you get your work in early. Wow. Okay, so you guys stop sharing the screen.
I'm not a star.
Still missing a couple, so if you know anybody that's been missing.
Oh, she's got a cat.
Help you. You know all the answers for this.
Applied algebra class will be canceled Wednesday, 9/23/20 due to a death in the family. That's not good. I need some hot chocolate. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I came in my room and I was looking around and then I was like, wow, this is messy. I need to clean this. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, is cleaning my room. I just threw this little piece of my camera. Okay, so Liberty's been in my room a lot, and I think she's the one that's been shredding paper, because we've got her doing it a bunch of times. I finally completed it. It's finally clean. Oh, shoot. My dad hates it when that's plugged in. This might be cut out. But yeah, I finally got it done. Liberty's in here with me because she was out in the living room and she was like ripping the carpet up and chewing on shoes, so she's in here chilling with me. Oh, Liberty. Oh, she's so cute. Doesn't it feel so much better when your room's clean? Jeez, look. I can't pet her. Look, she grabs my arm.